Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're putting two popular capsule coffee machines head to head, the Cafelffe and the Dolce Gusto. If you're deciding which one to get for your home or office, stick around. I'll walk you through the key differences, starting with the part you interact with the most, the capsule holder and the handle. The Cafelffe capsule holder feels bulkier and heavier in hand, while the Dolce Gusto's is noticeably lighter and has a more refined, streamlined design. Thanks to the magnetic hatch, inserting the Dolce Gusto capsule holder feels smooth and precise, a small touch that adds to the overall user experience. The lever on the Dolce Gusto is also much snappier and more responsive, making it easy to lock in the capsule. In contrast, the Cafelffe's lever feels tighter and stiffer, requiring more effort to operate. Let's take a closer look at each capsule holder, starting with the one from Dolce Gusto. Now let's take a look at the holder designed for Nespresso capsules. The way the Nespresso capsule fits into the holder is incredibly satisfying. It clicks into place with precision, like it was made to measure. Followed by the ease pod. This is the adapter for ground coffee. It lets you use your own freshly ground beans instead of pre-packed pods. This small but important piece is the cleaning plug. It's used to flush out trapped air or run cleaning cycles without a capsule. You'll typically use this during setup or after descaling. I'll be making another video on how to fix the Dolce Gusto machine using this piece, since it wasn't working after being in storage for a long time and wouldn't start up when I took it out to film this video. And finally, we have the scoop and adapter for ground coffee. I think this is what most viewers are curious about, the speed test. Let's see which machine makes an espresso faster. Notice that the Cafelffe machine has a more compact design, which limits the space for taller cups. If you're particular about the cup you use, this is something to consider. Let's start. When it comes to taste, both the Nespresso and Cafelffe machines operate at a high pressure of 19 bars, while the Dolce Gusto runs at 15 bars. On paper, this gives the Cafelffe a 4-bar pressure advantage over the Dolce Gusto. However, in my experience, despite the higher pressure, I don't notice any signs of over-extraction with the Cafelffe. The flavor remains well-balanced and smooth. So while the pressure difference may seem significant, it doesn't translate into a noticeably harsher or over-extracted taste. Also, do note that Cafelffe now offers a newer model that includes an adjustable water level, which gives you more control over your brew. It also comes with a K-cup adapter. In the end, there's no obvious winner, though the Dolce Gusto does seem to make coffee a bit quicker. Let's take a look at them side by side. Before we wrap up, I want to mention the water tank. I personally like the Cafelffe's tank better. It's much easier to clean. All in all, I'm really glad I went with the Cafelffe. It's compatible with capsules from various brands, and the sleek, minimalist design fits perfectly into my setup. If you're interested, you can check it out using the link below. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this. See you in the next one.